Hello everyone, my name is Swapna Huzuri and I welcome you all to my channel Swapna Simplifies. So today I'm going to talk about something that people have been constantly asking me, especially my friends who really want to know about my weight loss journey, about how I did it, when I started it, and what exactly happened. So I'm going to talk about everything in this video. It is a long journey and there are various factors involved in it, like my diet plans, my recipes, and my workout plans and everything that so this is just a start for the following videos that is going to come up with my YouTube channel. So I would request everyone to kindly support me and do not forget to subscribe to my channel Swapna Simply. So to begin with, during my childhood, as you can see, I was a very skinny girl. As a child, I was a very picky eater. I didn't like to eat fruits and vegetables. As soon as I saw my mother coming with the food, I used to run away. My friends and my neighbors used to make fun of me because I was literally that thin. And during my teenage years, I met with an accident, and this accident completely changed my life. After this accident, I was bedridden for quite a few months, and it was a knee injury, so I had to take bed rest. And this was a time that I think because of the medicines, or I don't know because of what exactly, but I felt really hungry, and this was the time when I developed good appetite and I started eating a lot. So there was instant weight gain, and I didn't realize it that time, but gradually I did understand that I actually had gained quite a few kilos, and I was not really prepared for this because all my life I was called thin. I really didn't understand how to deal with my sudden weight gain, but I did not really care at that point of time because of lack of motivation, and because I was in that period of my life when I wanted to enjoy life and not worry about a lot of stuff. Moving on to my growing up age, when I finished my graduation, I was a chubby girl who loved eating food, and then I got married. So after marriage, I gained few more kilos. After few years of my marriage, my daughter was born. I had gained a lot of weight, and that was my highest point of gaining weight, and that was actually, in the true sense, my turning point when I realized that no, this is not happening. I'm not sitting and gaining weight here. I'm not doing that anymore. I have to take care of my health. And somehow after having a child, maybe you realize more the importance of staying fit, because if you need to bring up your child, you need to be fit. For me, it was not only about losing weight, it was also about taking care of my health. It was a thought process. It was a systematic thought that came into my mind that this is the right time to lose weight. So I wanted to take up a sport. So I thought I will start doing some sport activities, but as because of my accident, doctor had said that I should not do heavy exercises and all those things. So of course I couldn't join a gym. Sometimes you have to cross the limit and think out of the box. So finally I decided that I will take up a sport. My father was very keen that I should learn swimming. So that is how it came to me that maybe I should try swimming as a sport, and maybe I should take training for swimming. So that was the first thinking point. So there was one particular friend who is still very close to me, and her name is Jovita, and she was my neighbor in Singapore, and she is also an Indian from Goa. So we thought that we both discussed with each other, and she was also very keen to learn swimming. So she said me that there is a particular swimming complex near our house, and we should hire a coach. We should go there and find out about the swimming coach. And then we went there. We finally found a very nice swim coach for ourselves, and that is how we started with our swimming lessons. We got ready to jump into the pool. But to my surprise, it was just a week and I already knew to swim. So it was like, oh my god, a moment for me, because I never thought that I would learn this fast, but it was quite cool. So after that point, almost after 1 month or 2 months, I started losing weight, and it was a very happy moment for me, because not only I was losing weight, but also I was getting fitter and fitter, and I was gaining more stamina in doing stuffs. I could do, like, you know, it was like I was more physically fit, and I was less tired. So that was the first noticeable outcome of my swimming classes. But after which I realized also that not only swimming or exercising will help me, the next thing I need to do is concentrate on my diet. So I slowly started learning about different foods and what I should eat, what I should avoid, and things like that. So it was all mind game, I should say, because you know you have to first prepare your mind and your body accordingly adjust. Slowly by slowly, as I started with my observing my diet and eating right food, I understood that my stomach had shrinked and I couldn't eat a lot. I could eat after small intervals, but at a time I couldn't eat a lot, which really helped me. Your mind will help you to analyze the food. Your body will stop excess taking of food, which altogether helps you in this journey. So which is why I say it is most important, train your mind and body to eat right. So it was very important for me to see the food and approve it before I ate it. So I should say it took me a few years to understand that food is important factor. People say that you are what you eat, right? So if you want to lose weight, the number one tip is to cook for yourself. Yes, because the moment you start learning about food and cooking your own food, you know how much oil you're using, you know how much nutritional things you're using, you know how much salt or sugar you're using, right? So all these things will be under your control, and you will know exactly how much to use and what to use and what not to use. So the basic funda is, of course, for me it worked that I used to cook my own meal, and also at this point of time I started innovating a lot of salads and bringing a lot of salads into my life. So I should say I almost lost 20 kgs in this process. I was like 70% it was my diet and 30% was exercise. So that is what I did, and that is what my journey is about trying, and I feel that I have done the best for myself and my family by staying fit. So that was my beginning of my weight loss and health journey. But I am definitely fitter than how I used to be, and that makes a significant change in my life and lifestyle. So guys, I have come to the end of this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because the next few videos that are going to come up is related to this video. And till I meet you next time, take care, bye bye.